Hello everyone, welcome to part 189 of Ecom series in Laravel 6, and we will continue working on hosting our website. Okay, so in last video we have purchased this domain from Godaddy stack-developers.xyz, and we have also purchased this hosting starter Linux hosting with cPanel. Okay, so I am going to set this hosting and we'll add this domain there. Okay, so let's do this step. I'm going to click on setup in my hosting panel, and will try to host my website. Okay, so I'm going to select a domain. So you can see it is automatically coming selected domain from your account. See, GoDaddy is really good in this thing. It is automatically selecting the domain that we have just purchased. Okay, so it is automatically selecting this. So I'm going to select this domain and we'll click on next. I no need to do anything else because it is automatically selecting. Otherwise we can select this one and can enter the domain, but it is automatically selecting our domain, so nothing to do. So we can click on next button after adding the domain to for it. So it is automatically showing the data center. It is showing that Asia is recommended data center because website is located in India, so Asia recommended. So I'm going to go with this option. Okay, so we recommend using WordPress, but we don't want to use the WordPress, so we can choose this option, not now thanks. Okay, so this is the option that we can do. Now it is continue with the process. Okay, so just wait for few seconds and then we will see that our new hosting is ready with our new domain. Okay, so you just need to wait. The other steps that we need to take, we need to zip our folder. Okay, even if you are on Windows, even if you are in Mac, you need to zip your project folder, Laravel project folder, or whatever your website is. Okay, you need to zip that folder because once zipped, we will add the zip file here from file manager, so that we can easily unzip that one. Otherwise via FTP we will also make the FTP, but FTP do take some time for uploading the files to the server. So file manager is the better solution, and we will try both. Okay, so it is taking some time, so you need to wait for some time, and then we are going to see that our new hosting and website is ready. Okay, so now it is ready. Onboarding completed successfully. Now you are ready to build your website in minutes. Okay, so I'm going to click on go to dashboard, and you can see here customer experience. So I'm going to close it right now. Stack developers.xyz, you can see the website is ready. Okay, so now it's the time to add the files into it. Okay, so I can even open our website, our new website, stack-developers.xyz. Okay, so I can simply open the website here and can see that what it is showing. Sorry, I'm going to open once again. You can see future home of something quite cool. See, GoDaddy is really clever. They are telling that site owner must add the files. They are saying this one coming soon, message is also coming. So if you are visitor, check back soon. So it's really good that they are showing that this website is coming soon, because they are telling the user that this website is under preparation and it is going to launch very soon. So it is really good they are displaying such kind of message. And now the next step, we need to add the files into it. Okay, so this is the next step, and they are already providing us these username and password, and they will also email you, and emails have come to me as well. They are providing me all the information so that I can log into my hosting account anytime and can update the website and I can also generate the FTP as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to add the files. So I'm going to add the files. I can add the files from file manager, and I can add the files from FTP manager. See, two things they have provided us. So it's our choice that we want to upload the files from file manager or FTP manager, and after that we will also upload the database into PHP my admin. Same thing like we used to do offline. So first of all, we will use the file manager. So file manager is really good because it will upload our files in few seconds, in fact sorry, in few minutes. Okay, but FTP can take some time. Okay, so I am going to upload in public underscore HTML. This is the folder, and we need to make sure the PHP version, before doing anything, PHP version must be 7.2 because our website is now in Laravel 6. Okay, latest version. Our website, ecom website, is now in latest version. So we need to make sure that PHP version is new. So we need to look for that it might be given somewhere that the PHP version they are giving to me. And I'm going to check the view plan, and here might be you need to explore. This is the plan. Okay, that is fine. But account actions, okay, installation, action center, purchase, website security, thing is here. Okay, so my hosting, domain, website, self-management products. Okay, it's nothing mentioned here, but we can continue with our process. I hope that the server supports 7.2 version of PHP. Okay, so we can continue with our process. I am going to open my XAMPP htdocs, and this is the folder. So I am going to zip this folder. Okay, I'm going to compress this folder, and you can compress your folder. If you are in Windows, then you can again compress, right click, and I think the you can compress, but don't do rar. It only zip. You extension must be .zip. Okay, so I think that you must know that how to zip your zip any folder. Okay, as it is very basic thing. Okay, so you can see that now I able to make the zip file. See, I've already done this before, so this one is not required, or I can remove the earlier one, and we'll make this one like sample 6. Okay, so this is the folder that I want to upload, sample6.zip, and I am going to upload from here. Okay, so I can click on this one, and I can select the file from here. I will go to sample6 is fine, but I am going to outside of sample6 htdocs, and here you can see I am going to select this one, and you can see the uploading process started. Okay, so it is 73.91 MB, and it is going very fast as my speed is good enough. So it depends upon your internet speed that how much time it will take the website to upload. So you just need to wait for some times. Okay, so finally you can see the green has come. Green means, and it is also showing that it is complete, so it is finally complete. So you can close this one, and you can reload. Click on reload here, and you just need to select this one and right click on this one, and you can click on extract. Okay, so that all the files it can extract, and it is fine. Path must be like this, public underscore HTML you want to extract. Okay, so you can extract all the files here. Okay, so it will extract all the files. It can take few minutes. Okay, depends upon the files it is going to extract. We have many files in Laravel. Actually, vendors folder take too much time, so it is taking some time, so you need to be patient. It is taking more time than expected, but we need to wait. It is still extracting the files, and we need to wait for at least 2-3 minutes more. Okay, so you need to wait for this one. You can, in the meantime, you can explore other things in your hosting panel. So one more thing you need to do, you need to make the new FTP account, so that we can also upload the website files with FTP. Okay, if we want to update the website, we will do update the website from the FTP. So we can make the new FTP account. Okay, you can see that they have already provided one FTP account, but we will make our own. Okay, so I can make new FTP account. We can make the username, and username we can select here, like ecom. We can select like ecom website we want to make. So ecom we can do here, ecom, like this. Okay, so they are asking us to set the password. Okay, you can set the strong password. It means Safari is telling me to use the strong password, but it's my choice that I want to make the password that much strong, or I can select some other password as well. But if you are selecting this password, then you must have copied this password as well. Okay, so I will see. I'm not going to use this one. I am going to use my own password. Okay, so we can make it like ecom, ecom at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 6. After that, ecom at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, we must remember our password. I have done ecom at the rate of 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and this is the but we just want to have it here. Okay, so stack developers.xyz, and quota is 2000 unlimited. That is fine. Create FTP account. I'm going to create the FTP account, and you can see the FTP account has been created. So now see here, the files have also been extracted. Now you can close this one, and you can see, you can just need to refresh once, and you can see the here the sample6 folder has come up. But you need to move all your files outside. So I'm going to select all and move the files outside. I'm going to remove this one and move it like this, and you can see the all files have been moved outside. So I can go one level up, and I can now remove this sample6 folder. Okay, so this is not required, so I can just simply remove this one. Or and you can see now the all the files have come up here. Okay, but we also need to check that whether this will work for us, or we need to keep this file in this one stack hyphen developers.xyz, that we will see shortly. It depends upon server to server. Okay, so first of all, for checking that which thing is working, I am going to check. I am going to add one file in my public folder, so that I can check that whether this server is working fine. I am going to add one file here, test.ttxt. Okay, this is the test file I am going to create here, and I am going to enter here. I am going to edit this file with some message. Okay, so I'm going to add some message here, and I'm going to add sorry, this one I need to move. Okay, so testing website. Okay, I'm going to save. Now I'm going to run this one, stack developer.xyz test dot txt. You can see it is not working. Test.txt is not working. So we need to do one thing. We need to move our folder, and one more thing we need to do here. Still one more thing, that this public folder is not accessible. So what we can do, in public_html, we can add the file here. One more file we need to add here to check that this one is working. Here I am going to add test1.txt and create new file. I'm going to create new file here. Okay, and I am going to edit this file, and here edit, working fine like this. Okay, so I'm going to run this one, test1.txt, to check. See here, this one is working fine. This one is our root folder. So in Laravel, we need to do one thing. We need to make the public folder as root in Laravel. Okay, so the public folder is the root folder for us. So we need to do some setting here. We need to add the STSS file here. Okay, that I will tell you that how to do this kind of thing for Laravel to host the Laravel website. Okay, so first of all, I am going to check the FTP that we have just created, so that we can also upload the files from our FTP. Okay, we no need to open the cPanel again and again. So we need to upload the website, we need to update the website from FTP as well. So for that, you can you can install the FileZilla. Okay, this one I used, this one you can according to your platform. If you have Mac, okay, then you can install the Mac version, they provide all. Okay, so you can install this one. Okay, for Mac you can install this one. For more download option, you have Windows 64 32-bit. Also you can install your Windows 64 for 64-bit, this one, and for 32-bit this one. Okay, so all they provide, you can install this one, and after installing you just need to open the FileZilla. Okay, so I will open the FileZilla here, and we'll try to run the website in FileZilla. So site manager, and here I'm going to add the new website, and our website name is stack hyphen developers dot xyz. This is the name of my website. Okay, I can keep the same name there as well here. Okay, so user, we already know the user that we have made, we can get from here as well. This is the user that we have got. Just simply copy this one. You can also open like this. This is the username, and this is the server. Okay, so you need to give this one in host. Okay, so this one you can give here in host. Okay, and after host, this one you can give as a user. This one you can give as a user. Okay, and now password, we already know the password that we have given, that is something like uh, ecom password is ecom at the rate of 12345 okay. So I'm going to connect. I'm going to see that whether it will work fine or not. One more thing I think we need to do, and open once again, and I'll open side manager once again and make this simple one. Okay, now only use plain FTP. Okay, so do this one and try connecting once again, and still it is not connecting. So I can open once again and we'll check it out that why it is not connecting. FTP rest of FTP, we need to check here that what is the issue. FTP server is fine, port is 21 port, we will add it here. Okay, okay, we will remove this FTP from here, then we can try. Okay, now it is working fine. So now it is working fine. You can see it has come up here. We have got we can access our website from here. Okay, stackdevelopers.xyz is coming up here, but here we need more settings here. Actually we need to assess the path. We need to check here. We need to assess this public underscore HTML path. We not require this one, so we need to set once again, I think, because it is taking us to this folder. Okay, it is taking us to this folder, but we required outside of it. Okay, so we need to remove, we need to change the path, FTP path, and I don't think that they provide any option for this one. And so I think we need to make new account here. I'm going to delete this one, and we are going to make the new one. Okay, so once again I am going to make ecom at the rate of 123456 ecom at the rate of 123456. Okay, so here I need to remove everything. Public and custom we will give, and we will create this one, create FTP account. And now I am going to uh, again refresh this one, and we'll see here all the files must come now. Okay, I am going to close and will open once again FileZilla, and now I'm going to open site manager, connect. See now all the folders, all the files have come up that we have uploaded from file manager. You can see all the files are coming here. Now all the settings we can do from here as well. We can upload our website here also. You can open the project that okay, sample 6 project you can open from here also. And now see the files are matching, and you can do like this one is synchronization, so that whenever you will open some file, it will also open at server end. You can see that both end you can upload the files. You can just need to select, and you can drag the file there like this one, or you can simply double click on the file so that it will upload. The same thing you will do here. You can drag the file from here to here like this, okay, or you can simply double click on the file so that the file will get downloaded, okay, but do it very carefully, okay. So this is the thing that we are trying to do. So we will continue using this FTP as well as file manager in next video as well, and we are going to continue setting our website. We are going to we might require to add the STS file for the settings, so that we will do in our next video, okay. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.